How to create a company introduction video AI. With this AI video generator, I want to tell you how to make a high-quality promotional and introduction video AI for your company and business in less than 5 minutes at the lowest cost. First of all, you need an introduction text for your company like this. Now, go to this website. I put the link in the description. Click and enter. By this link, you can use free trial for this AI video maker. This is really the best AI video generator I worked till today. Click on this option to make your free trial account. Here, click on this option to create your account easily by your Google account. Choose your Gmail. Congratulations! You have a free trial account to work with this amazing AI tool. Now, this is the first page. Maybe you see too many items here, but don't be afraid. Just click on Script to Video option here. Yes. Now, in this page, you have to copy your text and paste it here. Easy. I think you should write the main things for this script for yourself, and then get some help from AI tools like ChatGPT to make it more captivating. Now, what you need to choose here is from this option. I'll guide you. You have 3 options here. First one is for auto-highlight words by AI. It means that if you want to have some words automatically be highlighted for you, turn this on, as it is. The second option is for choosing different footages based on your text by AI. It means you allow Pictory AI to choose suitable footage for your different scenes. If you want to choose it by yourself, turn this off. But I think we like AI tools to make works easier for us. So I suggest you leave it on. And the last part is for new scenes. If you prefer that the scenes change after each sentence, choose the first one. If you want the scenes change after each line break, choose the second option. And at the end, if you want this AI decide what to do, choose both option. I prefer to choose both option. And at the end, click on this option to continue. This is the video that Pictory AI generate for me. Easy just by some clicks. In the right side, you can see different scenes that are based on your text. By clicking on each scene, you can watch it. And in all of them, you can see subtitles. By clicking on subtitles, you can edit them from above. This toolbar is displayed after clicking on the subtitles. You can change font size, color, and anything else you see here. Also, if you want to merge 2 subtitles together, you can do it by click on this option between them. As you can see, I click on this item between subtitle box and these 2 scenes turn to one scene, and if you don't like any changes, you have to click on undo option here. Now, maybe you want to change one scene because you don't like the footage. No problem. Click on visual option on menu. Here, you can write your keyword and search from unlimited footage library of Pictory AI. After choose one scene, just click on it to replace it. Easily, you can change every scene you want. But maybe some of you guys want to add some video from your office or your own project or works. It is easy. Just in the visual section, click on My Upload. Here, you can have access to your media and you can upload you images or videos. And then just click on them and change the slides you want. Now it is time to choose a good background music. Click on Audio section in menu. Here you have access to background music and voiceovers. Here you can see many filters to choose a good music for your script. Pictory has too many music for each genre and mood that you can choose and select one of them by your taste. To hear them, just click on Play button. And to select it, just click on Apply button. For voiceover, you have some filters here like as background music, language, age, gender, and so on. And here you have premium part and standard part. Listen to some of them now.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I have not done.
Perfect.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Amazing, right?
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent that has been entrusted to you.
Never mistake motion for action.
Awesome. I really enjoy Pictory AI voiceovers. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe to continue. Now, like as background music, choose one of these voices by clicking on Apply button. Now, your video is ready. Because you have good quality footages, background music, voiceover, and subtitles. But before you download the video, you can watch the video from preview section here.
Welcome to Luxo, where luxury meets visionary design. At Luxo, we specialize in creating world-class architectural masterpieces, luxury homes, iconic towers, and state-of-the-art buildings that define the skyline. Our designs go beyond aesthetics. We craft environments that combine beauty, functionality, and cutting-edge innovation, tailored to meet the highest standards. From the moment you step inside, every element reflects our passion for precision, creativity, and luxury living. Whether it's creating bespoke homes or landmark towers, we partner with visionary clients to bring their dreams to life. Welcome to the future of luxury architecture.
As you see, I make this video under 3 minutes, so you can make a video to introduce and advertise your work with a low budget and time with the help of this cool artificial intelligence. This AI tool have many other features like adding logo or add amazing elements to make captivating videos. You can even make videos in any format you need. For example, for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or Facebook posts. Pictory AI has different format for video and it is amazing. And you just need to choose which format you want. In this way, you can make one video and export in different formats easily. By the link below, you can use its free trial and test it by yourself to create a company introduction video AI. At the end, for download the video, click on this option.